Hello users, now we will learn how to go live using Trimpixel. Once you have installed the Trimpixel software, we recommend you that after signing in, you kill the software and then you kill any other existing applications which take the camera input like your Google Meet or Zoom, or you can just for pure security sake restart your computers, pure surety, just for the pure surety, just restart your computer. Now, once you have restarted it and like logged in again, you open your Trimpixel software again, and then you open the link where you need to join. You don't have to restart it every time. Just the first time after you have installed the Trimpixel, do you need to restart your computer. There, once you go in, just before you enter the meeting, it gives you an option to change your camera settings. So you go to the settings, just like how I've done, and in the camera input, instead of your normal webcam which would be taking the input, you go and choose Trimpixel webcam, and then when you turn on the camera it shows you the input just like it's doing it here now. Not only can you do it outside, you can also, let us say you want to change it in between the meeting. Google Meets provide the same option in the settings at the right bottom corner. You can just click the drop down here and change your camera options. So this is for Google Meets. Similarly for Zoom, let us say you start a new meeting. I've already chosen it for Zoom. Zoom also provides the same thing. Zoom also provides the same option at the bottom of the screen. You just click the arrow next to the video button. You choose Trimpixel webcam and then you can start your camera. Similarly in Teams, there is an option wherever you're going, just change the camera option to Trimpixel web camera and you will be able to go live with that software. It's very if you are facing any issues, just remember to see the yellow line, the yellow border of the Trimpixel. If I can just show it to you here, there's a yellow border. As long as this is coming up, you should not have a problem. If you are having any problems, please reach out to me at nikhil@trimpixel.com. You can just reach out to me there, and then I can just guide you through the process. Thank you.